Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix if you have been kicked due to unexpected client behavior on Roblox mobile. So there are some solution to it. The first step is just go for settings and go for apps and click on manage apps. Now you need to just search for Roblox. Now in the bottom left option you will see force stop. Just click on it and force stop it, and after that click the clear data option and clear all data. Now the third solution is you need to just change some settings in your Wi-Fi. So just go to your Wi-Fi and click the arrow icon beside your Wi-Fi. Scroll and click on IP settings, DHCP. Now make it static. Now scroll again. Now in the first DNS you need to just change it and change it to 1.1.1.1, and in the second make it 1.0.0.1 and just click the top right arrow icon. And if it is still not working, you can just do another thing. You can just go to your Roblox app. You can just log out with your account and log in again. And if it is still not working, you can just uninstall the app and install again. By this your problem will be solved. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.